Okay, this is the core from my big piece of rosewood, and I'm getting ready to finish it off. I'll put a 10 in here, and I'll smooth this out and try to leave the curve pretty much the way it is. Okay, here's my latest bowl, rosewood bowl. It's about 11.25 inches across or so, a couple inches tall. It's made from a core of my previous almost 17-inch bowl. I'll show that in a second. It's hard to do justice to the colors. The rosewood is really nice. There's very little new wood. There's a little speck on the bottom. You'll see that in a second. Overall, it turned out very well. It was very quick to do because the core was so basically finished shape except dishing out the inside. Here, let me turn it over. And you can see my wooden nickel there and the little bit of new wood and the rest of it heartwood, but essentially this is the shape that the core had except for this flat area to make the foot. This is the core that came out. Now here, let me move this out of the way for a second. And that's the bowl it came out of. So there's the core just sitting in the bowl it came from. This is just under 17 inches across. And it turned out very nice too, but you can see I still ended up machining away quite a bit of wood because the depth of this bowl wasn't deep enough to make this bowl full radius down deep. So it would have been bigger in diameter if this had been thicker. But overall, looks pretty darn good. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe for more similar wood turning videos. Please comment on the video and I should respond. I make a video about once a week.